It's like a thought, just like you can see your thoughts in your head. You can see your thoughts, right?
Okay.
Sure.
No,
He says, no, actually, you know what? Work on that. work on imagining.
I feel
Use
like
your
I don't have
imagination.
to, I don't know.
What's the coolest place you've ever been to?
Coolest place? I don't think so.
What's
Coolest place? Travel wise, Hong Kong. Hong Kong was cool.
what did it look like?
There was huge building, kind of a New York kind of a situation, but not New York, New York.
What was your favorite thing about it?
Favorite thing about it, to explore, the city.
Yeah, did you like the buildings? Where there's the buildings and the people,
Yes.
the culture, all the artwork, stuff like that? Do you remember what it looks like? Can you
Yeah.
tell me what it looked like?
No, I was very young that time. I don't have much memories